coming to you live from Nepal to tell you all about our May workout challenge. Yes, if you didn't already know, we have a brand new workout challenge every single month. And in May, we have got a booty gains workout. Oh yes, every single day in the month of May, you are going to get a brand new workout that's going to help you grow those glutes and get a perky booty. We got some other little workouts in there as well to give the booty a little bit of rest. And the best part is it's completely free. Yes, we have a brand new guide, and I wish I could have it right here, but I'm in Nepal. So you will get an amazing guide that's got recipes in it, it's got journal prompts in it, it has got all the tips about booty gains, and most importantly, it's got the daily workout to do. And they're all going to be on YouTube, so it's really easy. You just follow along on the playlist. We've got a little bit of a fun Everest theme as well. Now, we do also have an option if you want full-length workouts, 28-minute workouts with a warm-up and cool-down. All you got to do is you click on the link below for the BTES app. You're going to get longer form workouts, you're going to be able to track your progress inside of the app, and you won't have any ads. But either way, number one, you can sign up for completely free. Pop your email and your name in the link below to get the free challenge sent to you right now into your inbox, and you can start to join us on this journey of growing your glutes. So whichever one that you choose, whether you decide to do the free version or whether you decide to become a VIP and get the full-length workouts and tracking your progress on the BTES app, I'm so excited for our May workout challenge, because when you have a program to follow, that's where you're going to get amazing results. When you have an incredible community that's going to push you to keep on showing up every day, that's when you're going to get amazing results. And I have got the best workouts for you that's going to keep you motivated. We're going to have positivity inside of them. You're going to leave with a whole bunch of energy, and most importantly, you're going to grow those glutes. And if you do not have any resistance bands, do not panic. We also have our tropical collection of resistance bands that are going to help increase your results for those booty gains. All of the details are below, so just choose option number one, option number two, add in those bands, and let's start working on growing your glutes. All right, I'll see you in our first workout in May.